You like her. She doesn't like you. At least, not yet. Here's the first thing you need to understand. Attraction isn't something you convince someone into. It's something you create by shifting how they see you. Right now, she probably sees you as predictable, safe, maybe even invisible. And the problem is, people rarely feel drawn to what they can fully predict. The first step? Stop giving her all of you. If you're always available, always agreeing, always trying to impress, she has no reason to feel curiosity. Pull back. Create space! Let her wonder what you're doing. Second, change your vibe, not your feelings. Don't try to act like someone else, but evolve. Level up your style. Start chasing your own goals instead of chasing her. When your life starts looking more interesting, people take notice. Even people who once ignored you. Third, become the challenge. Women are drawn to men who aren't easy to win over. That doesn't mean playing games. It means having standards. If she doesn't treat you with respect, don't reward it with more attention. Fourth, reframe your presence in her mind. Make her associate you with positive, high-energy moments, not needy texts or awkward silences. Every time you interact, let her feel that you're confident, self-sufficient, and living a life she might want to be part of. And finally, sometimes the most powerful move is to walk away completely. Not to manipulate her, but to protect your own value. Ironically, distance is often the very thing that changes how someone feels about you. The truth is, getting a girl who doesn't like you to notice you isn't about tricks. It's about becoming a man who's so confident, so fulfilled, that her opinion no longer defines your worth. And when you get there, that's when everything shifts.